Hi, this is Chip Wilson with Mr. Food No Fuss Meals. A warm welcome to any of the members of the Charlotte Prep community who view this video. It's going to be a brief tutorial that's going to show you how to take advantage of our service for delivering to carpool once a month at Charlotte Prep. Okay, here we go. First, you're going to use any browser you like and just type in www.nofussmeals.com and that will start the process. You're going to come to our landing page. Just go ahead and click Order Now. You're going to have to select our store. So, State of North Carolina, we're the only one, so it's going to be pretty easy to do there. And this is our store home page. We are talking about delivery to Charlotte Prep, so what you're going to do is select No Fuss Delivery, and you'll see a calendar pop up. On that calendar, starting this month on the 15th of September, you'll find Tuesday deliveries once a month to Charlotte Prep. You'll notice we've got 4 different deliveries. 3 different carpool deliveries depending on when you're picking up your children or when you have somebody picking up your children. And then the after school extended day sports delivery. So all you're going to need to do is choose the one that's appropriate for your family. And then we're going to go ahead and place our order. Now you'll find 13 different items to choose from on this page. You'll notice that everything can either be done in a large or a medium size. There may be a time when you see that medium is omitted. If we have one of our quiches, for example, it's difficult to split up. But for the most part, you're going to see large and medium size orders, and then you can choose which ones you want. Just select the meal you want, the number of orders that you want, etc. Now, you'll also note on some items, like our 5-star chicken divan, it says serves 4, not 4 to 6. That's because specifically there are 4 large stuffed chicken breasts in that dish. If it only serves 4 because of that, then it'll say 4. Obviously, if it serves more, it'll say serves 4 to 6. Down here on the side, you've got a running total that sums up your order, the meals, the total, and your average cost per serving. As you can see here, we're inside $4 a meal, a plate per serving here. So there's very, very good value. This is significantly less than you're going to even get at Chick-fil-A or some fast food, and it's going to be a whole lot better for you. Speaking of better for you, you've got available nutrition information and cooking instructions here as you're placing your order. So if you ever want to just take a look at what you're getting and what you're getting into, you can certainly do that. At the bottom of this page, there's a little special request box. This is where you might add any additional information you'd like us to have when we prepare your order. For example, if you would like us to take it easy on the salt because someone in your family is watching their sodium, or perhaps you'd rather have us omit any red peppers or black olives. This is where you would provide us with that information, and we can take care of customizing your meal for you. When you're done, you can click Continue, and this is our great go-along pages where you can select some side items. You'll note typically we have 4 starchy sort of sides, or rather 4 sides total, 2 starches and 2 veggies. Always on the menu we have the Totally Awesome Tenders and the No Fuss Mac and Cheese. Those are big-time kid favorites, and the tenders are actually really, really great cut up on a salad, so there's a lot of different things you can do there. In addition to our 4 go-alongs, we'll have 2 desserts each month, and our desserts are absolutely decadent. I really encourage you to give them a try for a special treat. In particular, this month, our frozen peanut butter squares are absolutely outrageous, so I'm going to put those in my order here. And go ahead, when you're done with everything there, again, click Continue. Now here we've got to log in. If you're a new customer, you don't have an account, you'd click here and set up that account. There's a page that'll ask you for your name, address, phone number, set you up with a password, etc. I'm not going to walk you through that here today, but the first time you place an order from us, you're going to have to do that yourself. If you're a returning guest, you would just here enter this information right up here. I'm going to do that in a second. One thing I will show you, we could have done this when we started, before we ordered, down in this box down here. But I wanted to take us through the ordering process before we got to this, so I kind of did it backwards. But either way will work. Now I set up a dummy account for this process, so it's chip@gmail.com and a password. Now, the system will set you up with a dummy password or a default password if you don't supply one, or it reset it sometime, and that is typically NoFuss, NOFUSS. So if you ever forget your password, you can come here to find it. But also you might try NoFuss as that dummy password just to see if it works. So you'll get to a page now that will show you a summary of your order, and this is very, very important to note. Up in this box where it says coupon or fundraiser code, you're going to type something in there, CPREP, CPREP. That's going to do two things. First, when you click apply to order, that's going to carve out 10% of your order to come back to the school in the form of a fundraiser. I believe we're still benefiting the science and technology programs with this fundraiser, so it's a great way to give back to the school while you're doing something great for your family. But in addition, we're going to track all the meals that we sell using this code. And for every 10 meals we sell to members of the Charlotte Prep community, we're going to make an 11th meal, and we're going to hold it aside in a virtual food bank that members of the school community can draw on if there's ever any issue, any problem. Somebody goes to the hospital, somebody has a baby, somebody is unexpectedly had the family travel out of town. Whatever the situation might be, if we can provide a meal that's going to make it easy for a Charlotte Prep family or a member of the Charlotte Prep staff, we're going to be able to do that by tracking those meals. So please make sure you put that code in with your order. Once we've finished, we're going to go ahead and click continue, and that should take us to a page where we can pay. Again, this is going to be very straightforward. It'll have the information that you put in when you set up your account. You're just going to choose your credit card, type in the number, select the expiration date, click this to say you've agreed with the terms and conditions. It's pretty standard stuff. Feel free to view it if you'd like. And then you're going to click submit order. Since I've got a dummy account, I'm not going to put in a credit card number and do that, but this is all you need to do. Once you've done this, we'll have your food ready for you at the carpool line at Charlotte Prep, and we really look forward to meeting with you and getting to know you and having your family take advantage of this wonderful service. So thanks very much and have a great day.